Alright y'all, we're back. So what we have here is I'm underneath the actual truck, and what you could actually see here is that, zoom in. Alright, so you have the two pipes coming down for your heater core. You have a screw here, there, 2, 3, and then one right there, and there's another one further in over there somewhere. So you have to put the washers on. You have to put the washers on and go ahead and tighten that up. And then you have a hose here and a hose here. So the hose on the left side is going to go to this spot. The hose on the right side is going to go right there. And then you have these two lines for the AC. I've already replaced the gaskets, the little gaskets, little seals that go in there as well. So they're gonna connect, one's gonna connect right here and the other one's gonna connect right there. So this is how you remove it, you know, from the bottom, in terms of all of the items that you need to loosen up from the bottom. And then in a minute I'll go to the top and I'll show you how it looks on the inside. Alright everyone, back inside the cab or sleeper. The new system has been installed. I just have to mount up that, go get some like some Gorilla Glue or some probably some Gorilla Glue, and mount that wire back within this actual plastic bracket right here that's loose, along with the one that's right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and might just get another little bracket or whatever, or Gorilla Glue it to the panel, and just position the wires up there just a little bit better. But new system is in. I also put another piece of metal, I don't know if you could really see it or not, but another piece of metal along the bottom portion right here to there, where there was a little bit of corrosion, this, that, and other. So I went ahead and sanded everything, primed it, and then I cut out a piece of metal to put there. That way when I attached it to the bottom like I did, we're good to go. So pretty much done. I said just reposition those wires, get some zip ties, zip tie it up, and then take this duct and push it down, reposition it, and screw it in. I even painted around the base black as well, right there, right here as well, and over there where the refrigerator has to go back in at, and up along the top portion over here. Just have to put that vent back in right there where that hole is. And over here, same thing. So that's pretty much done. Next will be just thoroughly cleaning the inside, cleaning everything down, wiping everything down. I may possibly replace these speakers right here, one right there and another one right there. So we're back. What we have is back section right here. That's where the refrigerator goes. Painted that, painted around the bottom portion, sanded, primed, and painted, along with this section right here. Just some rattle can paint, nothing too fancy. And then in here I have the heater box installed, the new one. Just have to mount up the wires back onto that side wall right there, some Gorilla Glue, and push it back on there like it's supposed to be, and then wipe off that duct. There's 2 or 3 screws. Screw there, screw there, screw it back in. Wipe everything down. There's plastic panels, the plastic little panel that goes around the back. I think there's one that goes around the back glass. There's one that goes around this side glass here. And then there's a guy within a Facebook group who sells like stainless steel bezels or frames for lights and stuff with the watermelon light. So I'm gonna reach out to him and order all the lights to replace in the inside right here, and there's a few other locations as well. Also, almost forgot, I remember someone reaching out and asking about the curtains, right? So all of these, see this placement right here? See where this screw is right here? Like this section, or this plate, right? The curtains screw onto that section. So it's not like you could just pull it out, right? You got it screwed on right there along the bottom portion of that triangle. It snaps in along there, and it slides in the track right up here as well. So you got to take off some panels just to be able to get to it, to take it out, which I really don't like. So I might end up, I've been thinking about it, but I might end up inserting the curtains a different type of way moving forward, just because. So I don't like that. So hope that helped as well.